This video is going to demonstrate the tracking buffer and the speed range settings in the Nerds app. This is a useful feature if you're doing an operation where you need to know the buffer or width around your track or monitor the speed you're going. So to begin, click the menu, then settings, and then scroll down to this tracking buffer. So for this example, if you're spraying herbicide and your sprayer has a range of 10 feet on either side, adding a tracking buffer allows you to see the area you're hitting as you move along the track. So we're gonna scroll to tracking buffer and turn on show buffer while tracking. And we're gonna set it to 10 feet. So that is 10 feet on either side of your main line. And then say you can only move at a speed of 5 to 15 miles per hour in order for your spray to be successful. So you can turn on this show speed range color indicator and then set the minimum and the maximum speed that you can go during your track. And so to set these up, you can either click the number and then change it by typing it in, or you can use the clicker on the right side of the screen. Either way works. Once you get that all set up, return to your map and start tracking. To begin a track, click the plus sign, track, then start. Ordinarily, this is where you start walking, start moving. For this tutorial, I'm going to insert a screen recording of a track I did earlier with our settings of a 10-foot buffer on either side and our speed range of 5 to 15. Pay attention to the buffer color. It will be blue when I'm within my speed range, and it'll turn red when I go outside the 5 to 15 miles per hour. Once you stop tracking, you'll see this screen pop up so that you can save your track as a line and add in any additional information. So there you go. Once you get everything plugged in, click save, and then when you return to the map and you click your line, you're going to see that the buffer that you had while tracking is not going to appear because you're no longer in track mode. But you are able to turn on a buffer from that details pop-up. So just click buffer to see the buffer appear. If you want to change the size of your buffer, click data, then the 3 dots in the top right corner, edit, and then scroll to buffer, and you can change it to whatever size you need. Hit save, and then when you return to the map and turn on the buffer, you're going to see the change you made in action. And in short, that is how to set a buffer and a speed range while tracking, and how to turn on and off the buffer once your track is saved as a line.